Alright, so here's the Memphis Shades Batwing that I ordered. Originally ordered it for the Stryker I had, but I ended up finding a Raider that I bought, so I'm gonna be installing this guy on the Raider, and came with the quick lock mounts to mount it to the bike. Pretty simple mounting process here. Just the four, well, sort of bolts, nuts on the back here. So you just gotta take these guys off in order to put the quick lock brackets on. And just make sure you read the instructions and you put them on the right way. That's what I was double checking. And then I waited to tighten everything fully just to make sure after. It's easier to do it as a loose fit.
This stuff's packaged so good. Like, not a single nick on anything. I got the 5-inch smoke spoiler windshield. This guy right here. Fucking looks pretty sick. Oh fuck yeah. That's nice. And as you can see, came with, well, I assume instructions, but came with all the hardware. So it's got these little like insert ones that go through the fairing, and then came with the Allen key, and it came with little bolts. So if you're a Canadian, you just use an 11 mil. I don't know what the metric one is, but that'll hold it just fine. So put that in my pocket. The rest of these in my pocket. Just push the little guy through. Alright, so just going to put the lowers on here. They have little push-ins that fill the hole. So just take these guys out and then put these units right here in. And voila, have the lowers on right there and right there. Fucking sick. And that's it right there, the Memphis Shades Batwing for a Yamaha. Oh fuck. This thing looks hella sleek. Just need some bags next and this thing will be pretty sweet. I want to get a crash bar just in case. Fuck yeah.